he gave us some three, this thing, Amitabh gave three options, four options they gave, no? The chapters of which Purana is these chapters? 50 lakhs.
Oh, that was a
Yeah, it was from Panch Ratna.
Pancharatna. You knew it?
I knew it. I was telling him it's हमारी थोड़ी brain की exercise हो जाती है ना watching this KBC and they ask all from Mahabharata.
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
That's
These
good.
questions they ask very educational.
So what is this KBC? What is
It
it?
comes from
American
Bachchan
कौन बनेगा?
show.
अच्छा करोड़पति ना वही मैं सोचते हैं
So
अमेरिकन बनेगा.
Amita, but that lady, she's come from a gaon, a social worker. Till yesterday, she's won 50 lakhs. Today, she has won 1 crore also. They showed for tomorrow. 1 crore question she'll
So
get.
she knew the answer, this Pancharatna.
She was, she took those helplines.
Okay.
But उसको
She
मिल
took
गया
two
answer.
helplines. 2 were taken away, wrong ones. So which 2 were left were उसकी पीछे से उसकी सास बोल रही थी पंचरत्न, but she can't see there behind. Even I told him it's Pancharatna. These chapters which they are showing.
Are they supposed to help?
Yeah.
No, one is up.
They are there for half an hour. When they
They sit behind.
Okay, so let's do our start our.
Somebody else also.
They are going to. Bhavatu
Sena Bhunaktu
Sahaviram Karvavai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai Om
Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat.
We're doing this 3 times or 1?
No, we're doing one time because we're going to do Astoma Sadgamya, then we're going to do Tvameva Mata. I didn't send it yet, but I think that's a good one to do.
That we know.
Astoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Om
Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Tvameva Mata
Cha Pita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhu Cha Sakha Tvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravyam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Mama Deva Deva.
Guru Brahma.
Oh, Nikki.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Brahma, Tasmai Shri Namah. So they are saying something else, you also written something else.
I will say Sakshat from now on because I was saying Guru Re. Both the meaning are same. Guru Re matlab only Guru is, but that's fine. And
Guru Sakshat hai Parabrahma.
both are fine because some people say that, some people say that. We will. I think Sakshat सब लोग को अच्छा लगता है.
everybody knows.
Yeah, Sakshat means he is.
He is, and Guru Eva means only Guru is. So both are some. Okay, so we'll start with
She
Bhagavad Gita.
also sings bhajan. We can see. And yeah,
Yeah, we can. What we can do is we
she
will
can
do
start
it
with
at
the
the end.
no, it's better to do it in the
The
beginning.
beginning you
Yeah.
want to do it? Okay, then
Then
we
we
should.
start it, just
If you want
finish.
to do the bhajan, then we have to start on time.
Yeah.
Right.
Otherwise, like we will not move forward.
Yeah.
You know.
अभी तक 11 बजे
More
हैं.
time.
We are on time. This watch is not correct.
What's the time right now?
It's on.
11 is 2.
Actually, it's
11
11:05.
5.
So ठीक है, गाइए आप. But let's. Yeah.
Just a short
No, it
one.
sets a good mood.
Yeah. No, sure.
Vibrations.
Okay.
Gaija, 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 Guru Shukrana, gaija, 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 paega, 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 paega. मन साचा सुख पाएगा पाएगा पाएगा। गुरु के बगैर कैसे दिशाहीन चल रहे थे, गुरु के बगैर कैसे दिशाहीन चल रहे थे। किसी ने नहीं जगाया, अंधकार में पड़े थे, किसी ने नहीं जगाया, अंधकार में पड़े थे। गुरु ने जो कृपा कीनी, पार ब्रह्म से मिलाया। गुरु ने जो कृपा कीनी, पार ब्रह्म से मिलाया। बलिहारी उस गुरु पे जिसने अलख ये जगाया, बलिहारी उस गुरु पे जिसने अलख ये जगाया। गाए जा गाए जा गाए जा गाए जा, गुरु शुक्राना गाए जा गाए जा गाए जा। पाएगा 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 पाएगा, मन साचा सुख पाएगा पाएगा पाएगा। मेरे सतगुरु का जीवन आदर्श है हमारा, मेरे प्रभु जी का जीवन आदर्श है हमारा। बलिदान दे के अपना इस बगिया को सजाया, बलिदान दे के अपना इस बगिया को सजाया। पंचभूत से उठाकर सतचित आनंद बनाया, पंचभूत से उठाकर सतचित आनंद बनाया। बलिहारी उस गुरु पे जिसने राह ये दिखाया, बलिहारी उस गुरु पे जिसने राह ये दिखाया। गाए जा गाए जा गाए जा गाए जा, गुरु शुक्राना गाए जा, प्रभु शुक्राना गाए जा। पाएगा 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 पाएगा, मन साचा सुख पाएगा पाएगा पाएगा। बोलते हैं ना, शुक्राने में ना जीवन सरल हो जाता है।
Yeah.
बोले कुछ नहीं करो।
Yeah, no, Brahmas is very great. So, shall we go to...
Which one you are following?
This was Gita.
Yes.
Nobody else wanted this book, right? I know that
Which
that
one?
lady wanted the book, but then she's
Who,
not coming.
Nisha?
Yeah, she had told me to get it.
No, actually, she wanted the book, but after that, she's not come. And
Exactly,
When,
and
that, when she came, you were not there, so that's what. It
Right,
was.
so I just want to still find out if she wants it, then I'll get it this coming Sunday, because last time they didn't have it
Nisha.
or something.
Okay.
Nisha is gonna
Yeah.
come?
She said she'll phone because no, she's not coming today. She said she'll phone me after the class.
Okay.
That's what we'll find out if she needs a book. When she calls, we'll find out.
I think we finished 16, if I'm correctly. Right? 15 and 16 we.
What is it? You want me to read that?
No, I was going to share the book with you because I'm going to read this. Remember, this can be
It's okay,
sung,
I can
sung,
hear you.
sung a little bit like.
That's otherwise too far for you also.
You could come closer to me.
You want me to come there? So,
Yeah, come on.
So let's try to chant this because this I got it a little bit. Prapancho yadi vidyet.
oh, may not bring the Om Bhadram.
Oh yes.
Alert, that's good.
No, that's very good. Om Bhadram Karne Shruniyam Devaha.
Om Bhadram Karnevi Shunyam Deva.
Bhadram Pashye Makshabhirya Jatraha.
Bhadram Pashyam Kshetra. You want to come closer?
Sire Range Sushtu Vagam Sastanubhihi. Range Sushtu Vagam Sastanubhihi. Vyashema Devahitam Yadayuhu.
Vashema Deva Hitam Yadayu.
Swastina Indro Vridashavaha.
Swastina Indro Vidashavaha.
Swastina Pusha Vishvavedaha.
Swastina Pusha Vishwavedaha.
Swastina Staksharyo Arishtanemihi.
Swastina Naksharyo Arishtanemi.
Swastino Bruhaspatir Dhadatu.
Swastina Brahaspati Tatatu.
Om
Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Okay, we can read the English passage.
Let Shirin read.
O ye gods, may we hear with our ears always what is auspicious. O worshipful ones, may we with our eyes see always what is auspicious. May we live the entire length of our allotted life hale and hearty, offering our praises unto thee. May Indra, the ancient and the famous, whose son, the all-knowing, the Lord of swift motion Vayu, who saves us from all harms, and Brahaspati, who protects the spiritual wealth in us, bless us with the intellectual strength to understand the scriptures and the heroic heart to follow the teaching. Om, peace be, peace be, peace be.
So, I think we finished 16, and so we can go from the 17 then. Let's start chanting this. Prapancho yadi vidyet. No, this goes like this. Prapancho yadi vidyet. Say, Prapancho yadi vidyet. Nivarteta na samshayah.
Nivartita na samshaya.
Maya matramidam dvaita.
Maya matramidam dvaita.
Advaitam paramarthatah.
Advaitam paramarthatah.
Okay, so
Dvait and Advait bol rahe hain. Dvait.
yeah, but the sandhi vichhed karke, then it becomes like that. So you want to read
It's
that?
very good. Prapancha means the world, and Yadi Vidyet means Yadi Vidyeta. If I had existed, if the world had existed, Nivritata means would disappear. Na Sanshaya means there is no doubt. Maya Matram, mere illusion. Idam Devata means this duality. Advaita means non-duality. And Paramartha means supreme reality. If the perceived plurality were real, then it would never disappear. If the perceived plurality were real, then it would never disappear. This duality that is cognized is a mere illusion or Maya. Non-duality alone is the supreme reality. In the last stanza, we are told that, you should read, that's not my turn. Yeah.
In the last stanza, we are told that when the manifold world of quality disappears,
No,
duality.
Duality disappears, the non-dual reality remains for our experience. An ordinary student may doubt this statement. An explanation is given here. If the manifold plurality had really existed, then this doubt would have some justification. Since the manifold is only a false imagination, like the snake in the rope, it does not really exist, and so it would certainly disappear all the correct understandings of the reality.
At the correct
understanding.
understanding of the reality. So I think snake and rope everybody knows, right? Because that's the main thing. Because
Yeah.
sometimes it can get very confusing the way it's
नहीं,
written.
what he's saying is जितने भी अपन मल्टीपर्पज चीजें देख रहे हैं ना उसको अपन रियलिटी समझ रहे हैं. So but once you know that we are all one, then this reality disappears. I mean ये जो illusion है वो माया
Illusion,
वो
yeah.
disappear हो जाता है, and the real thing stays. That's what.
So
he's
you know, like with this Sarvapriya Nandaji was saying, oh, does that mean that we all are going to disappear? No, that's not what it means. It means that we will know that it's an illusion.
Yeah.
And the snake and the rope का भी यही है कि once I know that it's a rope, and then so the वो light shine की उसके ऊपर तो पता चल गया कि rope है. अब मैं अपने कमरे में गई, फिर मैंने बाहर देखा, फिर भी snake जैसा ही दिख रहा है. But now I know.
Yeah.
That it's not.
Yes.
that's
So
not
it's
a
like
snake.
Sansar is exactly like that.
हाँ.
That once those people know
No, that
and
yeah.
they are established, they will still transact, but they will know very extremely well
कि where they are.
that this is
They are
the illusion.
understanding.
Yes. So then they are not going to give so much importance.
And
like
they're not
we-
going to be affected by dukh and
by
sukh and all
affected.
that.
Exactly. That's
Yeah.
even more important what you said. Exactly.
That fear also goes away, na, then.
Fear
Yeah.
will go. That's why that's exactly why they become fearless.
Yeah.
Because हम लोग सोचते हैं हाय वो मार देगा हमें.
नहीं हाँ वो
उनको-
तो ये इनके ऊपर वो चल रहे हैं स्कॉर्पियंस. We see all these sages हिमालय में वो स्कॉर्पियन.
Oh, last time we discussed about the snake and everything, and you know people are like हम लोग एक lizard देख के भागना शुरू कर देते हैं और ये लोग वो शेर के साथ बैठे हुए हैं.
हाँ शेर भी उनके सामने शांत
Because
हो जाता
शेर
है.
knows that he can
He's a good
feel
soul.
it. And you know, so, like we were discussing, and I thought about it that sometimes people say, अरे वो भूखा होगा तो तुमको खाएगा. But if you have that peace, वो चाहे कितना भी भूखा हो तुम्हें नहीं खाएगा फिर. Agreed? If you have that kind of fearlessness in you,
Yeah.
then, but you cannot. If you are अंदर से डर रहे हो तो उसको मालूम है, फिर खा लेगा तुमको.
This is an answer to those who argue that they can believe only the world of plurality, which they are actually perceiving, and not of a non-dual reality, which they are not perceiving at all at this moment. Sri Shankaracharya in his Bhashya explains this mantra with the help of an analogy of the rope being mistaken for the snake and not the rope. And yet, though a correct understanding of the reality behind the delusory snake, we reach the experience of a truth, which is one without a second, the rope. So is true about this in this world of plurality also.
Just finish the whole thing because this
The
has.
first line is meant to be an Anukula Tarka, a method of logic frequently used by the Indian logicians. The first half of the stanza says, in effect, the universe does not exist. If it exists, it would disappear. It does not disappear, therefore, it does not exist. I mean, this is a contrast.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
multiple
this became
universe-
very.
The multiple universe with its plurality, if it exists, will certainly disappear, no doubt. But it does not exist in reality, for duality is a mere illusion. Non-duality alone is the truth.
So you know, I was reading this. Basically, what he's trying to clear the doubts of people. But I think one great thing about this class is everybody has come from a good background of Vedanta in some ways, and we are all already convinced. So we are trying to make it more strong. Otherwise, he's talking about the question like somebody will say, "Hey, if I can see it, I believe it, Baba. I see this world. This is real. That's it." You know. So then he's saying that if it was real, then if you're sitting in meditation and then you merge with and you come to that turiya state, that means if that's what it is, that means this is not real. Kitna bhi dikhe hum log ko real, you know. And then in Chinmayananji, the way he would explain is, okay, you see the sun going down in the water. Is it going down in the water? And then we know it's not. Water to छू भी नहीं रहा है sun को, right? So whatever दिखता है जरूरी नहीं है कि वो सच हो. अभी air का देख लो. We know air is in the room. Can I see it? But I feel it. But there are certain things I can't even feel, like space. I just know it's there. So those kind of people who have doubts, उनके लिए ये उन्होंने clear किया. All he's saying is this is the experience of the saint and
You can
sages.
feel it,
Wait
you can't.
till we come to the stage of Turiya.
Turiya. So I think that one of the things is this. You have heard this statement that in outside world you see and you believe. right? You see and you believe.
Yeah.
In inside world, you believe and then you see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
it's
So then,
opposite.
yeah. So first you have to have Shraddha.
Yeah.
You know, and then वो लॉजिक पूरा दिया हुआ है उन्होंने, तभी हमने वो स्थित प्रज्ञ के लक्षण सुने. You know कि भाई ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं जो were established, how do they behave? So we have seen how they
So the
behave.
belief will come after we have studied this.
Yes, it becomes strong.
Strong.
You know, because I think one of the difference
so we
between
will see
yes.
different things.
Yeah.
You and I will see probably.
See that the way I look at it, हम
We
लोग
won't
की-
know, we will react differently. We will see everything the same way.
reactive.
Yeah.
Reactive. I mean, I would say that as you study, your faith gets somewhere even more stronger, more strong. कभी कभी पीछे से doubt होता था. You know, अभी जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे वो doubt clear होता जाता है, clear होता जाता है. You know, that's what it is. And in what they have done with these karikas and all that, they are trying to cover every possibility. कि भाई ये doubt है तो इसका ये आंसर है, ये डाउट है तो इसका ये आंसर है, so that कोई लूप होल ना रह जाए, you know. And then अगर रह भी गया, then you go to your own living guru and you ask them. And there are plenty of them around. They will clear your doubts, you know. So anybody has any other comment on this particular thing?
I think this is pretty okay.
Good, right?
Yeah.
Next.
You have to
Okay,
read
next shall we first do
Yeah.
the Sanskrit?
Right. Vikalpo vinivarte.
Let's try to chant it.
Yeah.
This can still be chanted. Next one you
Okay.
cannot.
Okay, go ahead.
Vikalpo vinivarteta
Vikalpo vinivarteta
kalpito yadi kenachit
kalpito yadi kenachit
upadeshaya dayam vado
upadeshaya damado
Jnate dvaitam na vidyate.
gyate dvaitam na vidate.
Okay, now you can do it.
Okay.
But actually, when you are saying that, you say half a sentence, then it's easy for us to remember instead of going through.
Yeah.
Because this is you can chant it just like Bhagavad Gita. That's why. Because
Yeah,
it's
but when we are following you, we don't know the language, so it's better that.
no, we are going to go to the other one too. He's going to read that part too.
Yeah, yeah. What I mean to say, when we are chanting.
So, if anyone.
Do you want to go to that?
Can you read
individual
Hindi or
word?
not?
Individual word you want to go
With
through?
difficulty.
Yeah, that's why you're finding it difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, you want to go?
Uh,
you read the
Vikalpa,
words.
diversity.
Oh, you want to go?
Yeah,
These
we
are
need-
describing each word.
Yeah, yeah. we
Yeah,
want to
yeah.
know the
Sometimes we
meaning.
can
So,
get few
so
things.
Vikalpa is diversity. Vinivartet would go away. Diversity would go away or disappear. Kalipat.
Kalpit.
Kalpit.
is imagination.
Imagined. Oh, yadi. If kenachit by anyone upadeshat for the sake of teaching, I am this vad, talk of duality, gyate, janate, on realism of the highest truth. Daitam, duality, na vidyate, cease to exist. So if anyone has ever imagined or projected the manifold ideas, they might disappear. This explanation is for the purpose of teaching. Duality implicit in the explanations. Implied in the explanation ceases to exist when the highest truth is realized. When the previous stanza has been discussed on, objector in the satsang, as it were, raises a doubt. Sir, if as you say, the perceived plurality is be a complete myth and a delusion, then are all the concepts of a guru, disciple, and the very textbook only a myth or a delusion?
That's the doubt is raised,
Yeah.
yes.
So there is no guru. There's
No,
only,
don't worry. Read it first.
I know. That's what he said. The answer a Vedantin would give is ever the same. Even the guru, the scripture, and the concept of disciple are all equally raised or equally false at the moment of realization. In the self, there is neither a guru nor a disciple, nor the shastra, self, inside you, nor the shastra. The triple concept is only meant to provide a means for reaching the Supreme and for experiencing its fullness. Yeah, actually,
That's what the main thing
That's
is.
true.
That's why I highlighted
see, all
it.
those are means, and
Yes.
then once you have reached
That's
there,
the
it's
important thing.
yeah. So, at the moment of experiencing the truth, there is no plurality even perceived by the experiencer. In the subject, no subject can remain. No object
in
can
the
remain.
subject, no object can remain.
Yeah,
And then salt doll wala example.
yeah.
Yeah, salt to dissolve
कि
into
वो
the
उसका
pani में.
duality था, it was separate from the ocean. The moment it went into the ocean, it merged. फिर कहाँ doll और कहाँ वो और कहाँ, so that's what it's saying. So until you get realized, all these things are very important. So don't.
Yeah, you feel everything
ये
is
नहीं कि भाई
separate,
अरे
yeah.
इसने बोल दिया गुरु false है तो छोड़ो गुरु को भागो यहाँ से.
No, but what happens is that you cannot make yourself realize. So when you follow all this, you will yourself get realized. That means you'll lose your identity. So when you are not there, then Guru doesn't mean anything because you are just
At that moment, yes.
at that moment you are already merged. So
No, but Guru is also a stepping stone only. A teacher the Guru always says, be better than me. So he's just teaching you how to go to that path. And
You know, the best
then
explanation
you
I've
even
heard-
leave the Guru behind. Then
Yeah.
the attachment from the Guru is also gone then.
So, like take Ramakrishna's example. So he went through Totapuri, who teaches him yoga. Then he went through Brahmani, she taught him Tantra. Then there were all these other stuff he was going. So, but when he went in Samadhi, then he was it.
Yeah, then
Yes.
he was left all the
So
teachings.
basically, Guru is to light the lamp in you,
Yeah.
and that's why you need like a
Lead you
real
from
Guru.
darkness into light.
Yes, and the other very good, very nice explanation is that Guru is like a person who has walked the path.
Yeah.
So he is showing you the path and putting the light on it. अब चलो इसके ऊपर. इधर मत जाओ, पीछे मत जाओ, इधर चलो. Okay, that's all the Guru's job is. And most of these Gurus, they will say, मेरे को चेला वेला कोई नहीं बनाना. If somebody says मेरा चेला बन जा के, that means false Guru है वो. You know.
No, Ramakrishna was in fact looking for chelas because he didn't have any.
Not
children.
in that sense. Not that they
No,
don't
but I'll
want to
tell you
keep you.
another explanation.
Not they
of
don't want
it.
to keep you so that you serve them. No,
No,
you
no.
get it and go.
No, but
Yeah,
another
that
another
way also,
explanation I'll give you is, you are already there, but you have all these walls on you, blockages.
Yeah.
So each guru comes with a chisel and takes a piece off. So it's taking all your pieces off,
Yeah.
or all the paths you follow, or everything you do is taking those things off. And once you have taken it off, you are back to where you were.
And the guru is like a doctor. He knows.
Peeling an onion.
Onion, yeah.
He's a lawyer, he's a doctor, he's
No,
a
the doctor इसे बोलिए उसको वो diagnose करेगा भी तुम्हारी problem किसी को ego की problem है किसी को jealousy की problem है किसी को कुछ and one very like interesting dristant that I heard that there was this guru was sitting at one Swami, so one man comes and he said स्वामी जी मेरे को साधु बनना है तो बोला साधु आदमी नहीं जाके शादी कर और बैठा रहा फिर दूसरा आया और वो बोला मेरे को शादी करनी है तो बोला don't get into that. You come here and become my student.
Yeah.
So वो जो उसका जो चेला बैठा था वो my God, what are you doing? एक को बोल रहा है ये को why? So he said कि वो जिसको मैंने बोला शादी मत कर वो बहुत close आ गया है और अभी शादी कर लेगा तो फंस जाएगा. You know, और वो दूसरा जो है ना उसका मन इतना वहाँ पर लगा हुआ यहाँ पर लगने ही वाला नहीं है उसका मन.
See,
So
that is-
he knew it what to say.
See,
We
that's-
would have never known. You know?
Yeah, Guru knows.
Yeah, so that's the.
Yeah.
Whether we are ready or not.
Yes. So what I'm trying to say that he will fine tune the sadhana for you what you need, and you cannot say, well, फलाने को ऐसा बोला मेरे को क्यों बोल रहा है? No, you need that. That's why he's saying it.
Okay, here we have a tarka.
Tark.
Tark. Oh, tark. Okay.
Yeah.
Tark. Oh, reducio. What is that? Add?
Okay, I saw the English meaning. It means absurd conclusion. But
Oh, okay.
that's what it means.
But which language is that?
That may be Latin.
Tark is-
Latin.
Okay.
Tark is Sanskrit.
Yeah, Sanskrit means.
No,
No, tark I understand, but I'm just
reductio ad absurdum. It
It's a
means
Latin
absurd
word.
conclusion.
reducing reduction of the absurd. Is
No,
tark.
coming
Yeah,
to an absurd conclusion. That's what it
Absurd conclusion. Okay. Herein we have a tark. The first half of this stanza gives us an example of tark, an oft used logic in philosophical disquisitions. The argument is built up thus: if the universe were fantasy, it would be removed at some time, but it is not so removed. Therefore, it is not a fantasy. By this argument, it is established that the universe is real, but it is not acceptable to the Advaita.
Advaita.
That's a different logic.
There are some critics who make use of this argument to dig a hole in the fortress of Vedanta built up in Gaudapa's Karipa. Gaudapa's Karika. Okay.
Just finish it off.
There is misunderstanding regarding the correct import of this stanza, in those who argue thus. Here the meaning would be that the world of polarity will cease if anyone had created. But the creation is only apparent, no real.
No real.
No real. When the reality is known through meditation, there shall be no perception of duality. The last portion of the stanza conclusively proves that the realization of truth, the polarity, shall make a total exist.
Exit.
Exist.
I think exit होना चाहिए total exit. तो
Make
जरा
it
typo
total.
वगैरह
It will disappear.
Yeah. So I think that basically we don't even need to worry about it. We already know what he's saying, right?
Yeah.
He's saying that once this is a apparent meaning, it's actually not there. वो दिखता है, and then you know the word Maya also means the same thing. I don't know if you guys know the Sanskrit ka meaning of Maya. We are told what it is. It means that which is not. If you take a Sanskrit translation of the word Maya, put to separate the words, and so that's what it means.
Yeah.
So जो नहीं है वो दिखाई देता है. जैसे कि 7 colors of the light. So actually the light is white, but you go put it to the prism or you see the Indradhanush or something, and then this Swami said it very nicely. He's saying that night time you see a dark sky. It's black, right? But is it really? No, there's a lot of light in the sky. It's just nothing is reflecting. There's no reflecting medium. That's why when the moon comes out, again light comes. Reflecting medium has to be there. So there are so many things that would apparent. है नहीं दिखती है तो ये पूरी दुनिया भी वैसी है. That's what he's saying. And then I don't know if you guys know about Nirvan Shatkam. You know that what is Nirvan Shatkam? It is written by Shankaracharya. It is such a most beautiful. If you see the meaning, and it starts with Mano Buddhi Ahankara.
Yeah.
Have you heard of that? Mano Buddhi
I'll
Ahankara.
send you.
Chittani Naam.
Chidananda Rupam
Shivoham.
Shivoham.
Shivoham. सुना है ना?
Very famous.
See the meaning. And उसमें बोलता है कि when you इसमें आता है ये कि न गुरु है न शिष्य है. So every paragraph tells you that in
I'm
that
not
that-
Words तो मैंने भी सुना है, but I never paid attention.
yeah. So this paragraph is that verse.
Yeah.
That how it merges everything, and at that state the duality is not there. In fact, one day we should listen to that. It's so calming, so beautiful. You know.
Yeah, I have.
So I guess we have kind of
And there is a
So
Hindi.
how would you summarize
There is
this?
a Hindi version of that, Nirvan Shaktam, by Guru Murti Ma. There is one Sindhi young girl. She.
so there is a Chichi sing it in Hindi. Maybe you can send it to all of us.
Yeah, I'll send you that.
You know
she
why?
has already
Because that's
sung.
a good one to
It's
learn.
very beautiful.
Yeah.
And then Sanskrit one, Jyoti translated in English.
Yeah.
She sang that and translated every part. So I have that.
A lot of people have sung, and the tune is also very soothing. It's called
So I
Nirvan
get
Even
from.
Oja sings. Bhai Shri Oja. He sings. I put every
Oh, yeah.
day. It's
Yeah,
in the
sure.
YouTube. Yeah.
Bhai Shri Oja sings such
Yeah.
beautiful
Then
Shiv
beautiful
songs.
his voice is
No,
so
I was listening to Shiv song. I was walking, and that energy, you know,
करता है ना?
it comes like Tandav one and Namami Shamishan. He has sung all of them.
On YouTube?
Yeah, they all.
Yeah,
are
it's on
He has the best
Yeah.
Shiv
Bhai
songs.
Shri
Yeah.
they call